In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Grammarly in Microsoft Outlook. Writing professional and error-free emails is essential, especially when you're communicating for work or important matters. In this guide, I'll walk you through how to connect Grammarly to Outlook so you can improve your writing with real-time suggestions. To begin, open your web browser and go to a search engine. From there, type in Grammarly for Microsoft Office and open the official Grammarly page from the search results. Once the page loads, look for the option that allows you to get Grammarly for Office and click on it to proceed. After that, allow the setup file to be received on your computer. When it's ready, open the file to begin the setup process. A setup window will appear, and from there, you'll be given options on where Grammarly should be applied. Make sure that both Microsoft Word and Microsoft Outlook are selected so that the tool works across both applications. Continue through the setup process until it is completed. At some point, you may be asked to restart Microsoft Outlook. If prompted, go ahead and close Outlook completely to allow the changes to take effect. Once Outlook is closed, open it again to continue. After restarting, open your Outlook application and create a new email message. In the email window, you should now see an option related to Grammarly. Click on it to activate the feature. If it's your first time using it, you will be asked to sign in. You can log in using your preferred account, such as a Google account, to proceed. Once you're signed in, return to your email draft. Now, as you begin typing your message, Grammarly will start analyzing your text automatically. You'll notice suggestions appearing for spelling, grammar, and sentence clarity. Simply click on the suggestions to apply corrections and improve your writing instantly. Using Grammarly in Outlook makes it easier to write clear and professional emails without worrying about mistakes. It works in the background and helps you refine your message as you type, making your communication more effective. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell